Okay, on the road again. 2 or 3 days to get home. Yeah, it was nice staying with my sister, and having 2 full days to relax and enjoy this area. So today's plan, I'm going to head towards Horsham, and we'll just see how it goes. It's around about 9:30 in the morning. Temperature is going to be about 34 degrees Celsius, so it's going to be a warm one, but we're going to take our time. It should be about a 4-hour ride. We're going to probably do it over 5. Okay. We've missed a turn off somewhere along the way. Okay, we're in Tailem Bend. It's a long way to get here from Nildottie. That's alright. We're just going to get petrol here and then get on the main road all the way to Horsham. Yeah, this is the main street of Tailem Bend. Just going to park the bike somewhere and stretch the legs, and then we'll get some petrol on the way out. Apparently there's a big servo on the way out. Got tempted by this railway cafe, so we're going to give that a go. Grab something to eat here. You want to sit inside or outside? Okay. Nice cappuccino, and we had an avocado chicken, what's it called, a panini or whatever they're called. Yeah, it was quite nice. I've already eaten mine. That's how good it was. Chin's still going on hers, and it's pretty good, isn't it? Very good. Okay, back on the road. Just got to get petrol. Yeah, we just had a cup of coffee and a quick bite to eat. Just something small. Wasn't real hungry this morning when I woke up. But then after just doing that 1-hour ride, had a bit of an appetite. Okay, just pumped up the tyres. The front one was down to about 26 psi. I suppose I'll lose a bit of air here and there. But yeah, pumped them all up now, all ready to hit the road. All good. Roadworks. Looks like we're stopped here for a little while. Well, it looks like we got movement ahead. We've just been sitting here for about 5 minutes. Just turn the engines off so they don't get too hot. Sitting there idling away in the sun. Okay. I've just realised I say okay a lot on my videos. Oh well. I don't know if I know how to say that name of that town. Nildottie or something like that, I don't know. Anyway, they've got some silo art here. I'm not going to stop, we'll just see if we can see it from the side of the road. There we go. That's pretty impressive. I like the coloured ones better though. That's pretty cheap, $65. Accommodation. Just pulled over in Tintinara, I think it's called. Gonna get a cold drink here. It's pretty warm. Need to keep hydrated. Yeah, this looks like there's a shop here. Yep, beautiful. Okay, back on the road again. Just had a quick stop to have a drink, nice cold juice, and yeah, it's really warming up. Nice little town. We just had a freight train go through before. Didn't have my camera with me, it would have been good to film actually. Camera was on the bike, but that's okay. I don't know what's going on, but the road is closed. So what we'll do is we'll pull into the servo here and work out what the hell's going on. Don't know. Could be a car accident, could be fires, who knows? But the road's closed.
Oh. So where do you have to go then?
I don't know. That's what I'm going to ask.
You ask
Yeah.
the policeman.
Yeah.
It's closed for, the road will be closed for 3 to 4 hours, he said to me. So you have to take a detour over there.
Okay. Oh. Must be an accident or something.
Yeah, I don't know. He didn't say, but I just asked for how long is it closed, and he said 3
Yeah.
hours.
So can you get around that way, can you?
Yes, he said it was a 10.
So whereabouts are you going to?
We do the Grampians.
Oh, okay, yep.
So
I'll follow you then.
You go there as well?
Oh, we're going to Horsham, so it's near it, yeah.
Okay.
So,
okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay, thanks.
Anyway, we don't know what's the reason why it's closed, but we're going to follow the traffic. They had a, just close my visor, this truck blowing up all this dust. Yeah, they just, they had a, well, obviously the police car, and then they've also had a fire truck there, or a little fire four-wheel drive from the CFA, or whatever they call them. But yeah, I'm not too sure why it's been closed, but they said it was going to be closed for 3 hours. Anyway, we'll just follow the traffic and see where it ends us. Where we end up, we just come across a detour sign saying to go down this way. All the rest of the traffic seems to be flowing down this way, so yeah, let's keep on rolling. Yeah, the road's following the train line, and I assume that train line would probably go all the way to Melbourne. I reckon we're heading in the right direction. Okay, we're back to the main road with a bit of a diversion. But it was a nice little country ride. So we're back on track. And it could have been a fire actually, because that's all been burnt. But I didn't notice any smoke around, or did I smell any smoke? Okay, we're back in Victoria. Speed limit, maximum speed limit, 100 kilometres per hour. Yeah, the other disadvantage about coming back into Victoria is we lose 1 hour. So it's now nearly 3:30. And we've still got about an hour and a half to go to get to Horsham. So we're not going to get there till about probably between 5 and 6 o'clock. When we get to Nildottie, we'll decide whether we can continue for another, 70 or 80 kilometres on, or whether we stay in Nildottie. We'll work it out when we get there. Okay, we're just coming into Kaniva, the land of windmills. Nice looking little town, pub on the corner, some colourful artwork. Some more artwork there, nice big windmill. Nice looking town, very colourful. And we've got some silo art here as well, and some public toilets, which I need. The missus has just reminded me that we've been here before. We've been here before, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the helmet's covered in bugs. The front of the bike's all covered in bugs. What's the missus one like? Just as bad. But her visor's not that bad. I copped most of it. Okay, so this is where we're staying for the night tonight. Most likely our last night of our trip, provided we can do a big day's ride tomorrow. Okay, we got a motel room for the night. Number 11. Yeah, I've got the key. And yeah, we're going to go to the pub for a cold beer. It's already 4 o'clock. So this is the main pub. And that's looking down the main street. There you go.
You want to go in and I haven't done a lot. I haven't done a real lot. And,
Salt and pepper squid, chips and salad. Jen's got no chips, but extra salad. Wash it down with a nice Great Northern.
Something there. Oh, duck. My God, look at crocodile.